Hello, this is Amber Hammond, Vice President of Human Resources here at HIT. This video will give you an overview of this year's benefit open enrollment. By now, you should have received your open enrollment packet in the mail. If you have not, please contact Kirsten in Human Resources so that she can check your address and get you your benefit information. Kirsten can be contacted by calling the main HIT number at 663-0379 or by email at kberger@hitinc.org. For the next few slides, we will go over what you have received in your packet, talk about any changes to the HIT benefit package, as well as explain what your next steps are. This blue sheet is your current enrollments updated with next year's insurance rates. Here's a copy of mine, and it indicates what I have elected for benefits and what will be deducted from my paycheck biweekly for 2018. So please check your personal information, phone number, address, etc. Add in your email address if you have health insurance. If this is what you want for your 2018 benefit elections, then all you need to do is sign on the backside and turn this blue sheet into Human Resources. If you wish to make a change or have questions, then you will need to contact Sarah or Amber in HR to set up a time to get this change processed. As this is open enrollment, this is the one time per year that you can make changes in health, dental, and vision insurance without having a qualified status change. This is the back side of that blue sheet. It explains what change in family status and other items related to benefit changes. This is where we'll ask you to accept your benefits as they are printed on the front sheet and agree to having these deductions taken from your paycheck. So we'll ask you to check this box and sign if everything on the front is correct and you wish to withhold and deduct from your compensation for the items indicated. There's also a place to decline all benefits. If you are part-time or casual, you may not be eligible, so this would be inappropriate to mark this option and turn it into HR. Also, if you're full-time and wish to not have any benefits through HIT, we'd ask you to check this box and turn this into HR. This is the sheet that has come into your packet, and it's called the 2018 Benefit Enrollment Election Form, and this just explains everything that's in your packet and similar to what I'm going through today. This has my number and Sarah's number so we can set up a time to meet you. If you'd like to purchase supplemental insurance, which we'll talk about on the next slide, it's got the Colonial Life representative, her number right here. This is the voluntary benefits that are available to you this time of year. These products are all voluntary and employee paid. They are offered through payroll deduction. As HIT doesn't participate in these, we do have them payroll deducted, so that's why a lot of people like to choose these rather than going out and meeting with a different vendor. Many people choose to participate in voluntary benefits for items like short-term disability, average coverage, accident coverage, and major event. It's a way to protect your income in the event of something medical related would happen to you that would prevent you from working. Just to note that you would need to sign up for these by December 20th, either by meeting with Gail Plummer on November 30th or by giving her a call to set this up over the phone. And again, her number is down here, 701-492-0835, or email gail.plummer@coloniallife.com. This page outlines our benefits in brief. For full-time employees, the first three products, health, dental, and vision, are through Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota. You can pick different coverages. For example, I have health insurance through my spouse, so I elect family coverage for dental and vision. You can also elect different levels for each benefit, family health, and single vision, for example. Life insurance is provided to full-time employees by HIT, and the level is based on your income. These levels are at $30,000, $50,000, and $75,000. This is provided at no cost to you. This life insurance is also portable, so if you would leave HIT, you would need to contact HR at that time if you wish to keep your life insurance at your own cost. Paid time off is in the form of PTO and based on years of service. 2 personal days. Full-time employees who've been employed 1 year or greater on January 1st, 2018 will receive 2 personal days. These must be used during the calendar year 2018 and pay is limited to 8 hours per day. 4 times a year, PTO can be cashed in. You must cash in a minimum of 20 hours, leaving yourself with a minimum of 150 hours. Holiday pay, 8 hours per recognized holiday. Health savings accounts, HSA contributions for the qualifying employees on HIT's health insurance plan. So if you enroll in HIT's health insurance, you're automatically going to be enrolled in the HSA plan, and the vendor for that is Discovery Benefits. Section 125 medical spending accounts. This is for people who are full-time and not on HIT's health insurance plan, therefore could not get on the HSA. This is in a way to pre-tax money to pay for medical expenses. You can also do the same thing for dependent care, and this is for any full-time employee who has dependent care for children ages 0 to 12. This is a way to save on taxes. 401k retirement plan matches up to 6% of gross salary. The match is available after the first year of employment, after the employee's worked 1,000 hours, and you also need to be 21 years of age. Tuition reimbursement. We do these for the spring and fall semester, so watch for emails and SCOMs on an upcoming spring semester application. The options for purchasing voluntary insurances that include accident, disability, cancer, critical illness, hospital confinement, additional life. That was also on the prior slide through Colonial Benefits. The Employee Assistance Program is provided by Village Family Services. And we also have benefits available to part-time employees. Again, the 401k retirement plan matches up to 6% of gross salary as long as the employee has been with HIT for 1 year, worked 1,000 hours, and is also over 21 years of age. Blue Cross Blue Shield medical insurance single plan for part-time employees who work an average of 30 plus hours per week during the Affordable Care Act measurement period. If this is somebody who is qualified for it, Human Resources Board will let you know at that time that you are qualified for health insurance through the ACA. Also, tuition reimbursement and employee assistance program provided by the Village Family Services are available for part-time employees. So this page comes to the changes that are happening between last year and this year. So I'll go through these individually. First of all, the Blue Saver 100 high deductible plan, and that's the health plan that HIT participates in, has increased the deductible by $100 per person, $150 for single plus dependent plan, and $200 for a family plan. HIT will increase the dollar amount of HIT's monthly contribution towards health insurance for full-time employees based on the current election that they have. As you can see, there are 2017 single insurance HIT was putting in $450. 2018 they'll put in $460. Single plus dependent from $765 increased to $780, and family insurance went from $1155 to $1175. So HIT is putting in more for your health insurance this year than last year. HIT will increase the dollar amount of HIT's monthly contribution towards your HSA. So for 2018, the single insurance is going from $155 to $160, single plus dependent $285 to $295, and family insurance from $405 to $420. So you will see this increase in your HSA contribution in February for the month of January. So between the 10th and 15th of February, we'll see a slight increase in what HIT is putting in for your HSA. This last paragraph again talks about part-time employees who qualify under the ACA for health insurance. Talks about what HIT is going to put in for those. So this is the cost for 2018, and so this is what is going to be coming out of your paycheck. So that's this middle column, and this is in monthly rates. So as you can see this, so for health insurance, $187.20 per month, single plus dependent $358.60, and family $507.40. This last column is what the total cost of your health insurance plan or premium costs, but this is what is coming out of your paycheck. The second line is the HSA contributions, and again, you can elect to put money in yourself. Right now, this is just what defaults is to $0. If this is something you wish to contribute to, you certainly can. However, this is what HIT is going to be putting in 2018, these per month. The dental has gone up slightly, so this is what, again, the employee is paying per month, and this is what HIT is paying. So then this is the total cost of the plan itself. Vision also went up slightly to $350 and $1,550 that they're going to be paying, and that'll be coming out of your paycheck. So again, not a large increase. We're pretty grateful for that as well. So over here just talks about the increases and decreases from the prior year. So as you can see, HIT's putting a little bit more, but the employee actually has decreased. Health for Family, I think it went up 30 cents. So as you can see, the costs from last year to this year were similar, keeping in mind that the deductibles did go up slightly. So if you have questions about your benefits, these are the places where you need to go to: Sarah Marcis or myself, Amber Hammond, and here's our numbers. Remember to turn in your blue sheet. This I can't emphasize enough. This lets us know that you have reviewed your benefits and this is what you want for your election for the next year. The last 3 items in your packet include: the first one is your summary of benefits for your health insurance. This also explains the deductible for your health insurance is now $2,700 for single, $4,050 for single plus dependent, and $5,400 for family. This is also a nice quick guide to your health insurance about what is covered and what that would cost you. The second mailing is about the Children's Health Insurance Program, or CHIP. And the last item is a 401k summary annual report for our Safe Harbor plan. I'd like to show you where you can go to find more information about your benefits. I've gone to www.hitinc.org and I'm going to click on the Employee Login section. Now I'm already logged in, but how to log in is you'll use your first letter of your first name and your full last name, and then your user password will be capital E followed by your employee ID, and that's typically a 5-digit number. Okay, so you'll come on to Benefits down here, and it'll say, Welcome to HIT's benefit page. This talks a little bit about the HSA and insurance plans, as well as finding out if you're eligible for a 401k. What people really like is coming to this contact list. So if they have issues that they need to contact Blue Cross, Discovery Benefits, 401k, or the alternate or voluntary insurance, the information and the contact information is listed right here on the website. Another helpful tool is coming to the employee documents portion. And this is where you'll find the employee handbook, benefits in brief, and also change of information. So if you need to change your name, address, W-4 information, phone number, designated medical provider, direct deposit information, name and address for your 401k. This one we've had, I guess, a push on getting these back is how to change your beneficiary information for life insurance, as well as your contribution amount for 401k. So just keep in mind that there are these resources available on our website, and if you have any issues of getting into the website, please contact HR and we will reset your password. I want to thank you for your attention, and again, remember to turn in your blue sheet. Have a great day.